Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, this right here. So today I'll be taking you around this beautiful chicken house. I'll be showing you the must-haves while constructing the chicken house. So this is a commercial house, actually for starters. So this is the starters chicken house. It can house at least 1,000 layer birds or 2,000 broilers. So we'll be talking about what to put in consideration while building your own house. So let's go in. I think we shall start from right here. So when we come around here, we have the store. So it's kind of messy because it's not under use now. Just want you to get an idea of how it looks like. So that's the size of the store. This is for keeping feeds. And then right here, we have the office. It's also messy. And also, this is mostly for storing records and then medications for the hens. But right now, it's storing some goodies here. Some very good groundnuts. So now we can head to the chicken house itself. Our chicken house has two main entrances. There's this one and then there's one right there at the end. You can see that big stair down. So every stair has a small footbath, just like you can see it there. So it's still under construction. That's why it's looking like that. And then we have this big door. So this door is closed down and then the upper part is left open for putting our wire mesh. Because chicken need a lot of air, so we have to give them enough aeration as much as possible. So you just open and then get in. After stepping in the water bath, then you just enter so that you don't contaminate the room. Just like that. So now moving around the house. This house has very many windows, just like you can see, on both sides. So these windows are just enough to let in enough air. And you can see the room is just big enough. Then still on aeration, you can see the upper part is open. It's also having a wire mesh on both sides, just like you can see there. It's also so good for aeration. So you can see even when I turn this side. So both sides are open, just to let in enough air. So with this house, you can use either all of it at once, or you can split it into the middle. Through these pillars, you can put something to separate the chicken house. This is halfway the room, so you can keep half. So you can use half of the room in case you're having two chicken at the moment. You can use half and keep the rest free. Or in case you're having different sizes, you can keep one side this side and one side the other side. So this is easy because you have a place where you can easily split the room. So for the windows, we have two types of wire mesh. We have this small one. This is for keeping out rodents and birds. And then we have this other big one outside. It's also for protection. And then the doors are also half open. So this downer part is covered with wood. And then the upper part is left open just for aeration. And enough light actually. So in case this house is split into two, you have two entries, so you can use this door for this side and then the other door for the other side. So when we come out this side, this is an open space here. So this is the area where the house of the workers will be constructed. This is all for protection because there is no neighbor around this area. And as you know, our country, we need a lot of protection on such a venture. So this area will have a small house for the workers. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly, if you're new, please consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.